Um, Hello, by name is of Sebaleke John, and in this presentation, I'm going to be taking you through our machine learning project. Our machine learning project is entitled Constructive Knowledge Distillation for Seed Viability Classification with Attention Augmented Capsule Network. So, our machine learning project is aiming at addressing the problems that are caused due to failure by the farmers and researchers to tell if the seed will germinate or not. So the moment you happen to look at the existing method that farmers have been using to assess if the seed will germinate or not, such as the flow test, this method they have been very much they, they have been very much less effective, and they are tiresome, and they are also prone to human errors. Hence, I need to address this problem, and the machine learning techniques such as capsule network and distillation knowledge, um, uh, they they have a promising solution to this. Capsule network, it's a deep learning architecture that is designed to eliminate the limitations of convolutional convolutional neural networks in image identification. Then knowledge distillation. This is the ability of a large complex model to train a small model in decision making. One of the biggest challenge in agriculture, it's low yields, and the major cause of this problem it's failure by the farmers to tell if their seeds will germinate or not. Some that have tried to detect seed viability, they are using less effective methods such as flow tests, germination trials, and many others to determine if the seeds will germinate. Research shows research shows that 35% to 40% of the seeds fail to grow, leading to financial loss. On a large scale, the challenge is even greater. Manual section of seeds, um, it's not practical at all on large scale, since it's associated with high costs of labor, and on and on the small scale farming, um, and on the small scale farming, mm, mm, lack of effective method to test seed viability, it has led to wastage of resources such as water, land, etc. So lack of reliable, accurate, and effective seed viability method has caused a very big problem in the livelihood of people, especially those in the regions where farming is the backbone. Implementing, well, when we are developing um, this model, we are likely to face some technical problem, and one of the technical challenge in this research is high computing power needed by capsule network. Capsule network uses a dynamic routing algorithm, which increases the number of computations required for required per forward and backward pass. So this increases the training time, making real-time application difficult. Another issue is the issue of memory usage. Training deep learning models on large on large data sets requires a lot of computer memory, which is a problem with devices with limited space. So we also have a problem of scalability, since the model has to work in has to work with different seeds, different environment, and with different seeds, different environment, and other different conditions. So ensuring that the model remains accurate with handling these different variations, it's a big problem. So training a model to work properly, it's going to be a bit hard, since a lot of things have to be put into consideration when training a model. A small mistake in the setting can lead to pure can lead to pure poor results. um, a proposed solution, like how we are going to implement this project. So to develop an efficient um, an efficient seed viability classification machine learning model, we are going to use a structured approach in that acquisition, model training, and evaluation. So our key steps to implement this are as follows. So in data collection, we are going to use publicly available data data sets for for seed viability, um, with images. So for model selection and training, we are going to use capsule network, which is superior to CNN for capturing images. And once the model is trained, we are going to deploy it as an application or a P, allowing farmers to identify seeds that will germinate or not on their mobile devices or web-based tools. So um, this project uh, this project aims at providing an automated, effective machine learning technique that can be used by both farmers and researchers to ensure high food production. So the outcome of this project will address the problems that farmers and the community is facing due to planting non-variable seeds. Thank you very much.